Hello, we're here at Peninsula School of Dance and I've got the beautiful Sophie and the gorgeous Pixie here to show how to make a ballet bun. So I'm going to show you how to do a really nice bun that will help your child be ready for performance. So we're going to start with Sophie, who's got lovely blonde hair here, and we're just going to make sure that we've got all of the right equipment, so I'll show you that now. Okay, here we have our kit for making a fantastic ballet bun. We need hairspray, a water spray, a bun net, which needs to be the colour of the child's hair, some fringe pins, which are the U-shaped pins there, bobby pins, a comb, and a hairbrush. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make a really good ponytail, and if you get the ponytail right, then the bun is a whole lot easier. So we're going to start with a little bit of water spray here. So you can spray using a bottle, or you can just simply wet the hairbrush under the tap and brush it through the hair that way. So just a little bit of water, and then I just like to do a really light spray at this stage. Nothing too much, but it does help when we're brushing back into the ponytail. A little bit under. Alright, so brush. So we want to obviously get it nice and smooth, as smooth as we can. Now the line of the ponytail is really important because we don't want to end up with a bun that's too high up on the top of the head or down too low, because obviously when we're putting headpieces and things on, that can have an effect there. So we want to make sure it's in the right spot. Okay, so I'm just going to get you to turn your head sideways. So from the ear, we want to pull the ponytail back up into the middle of the head and just take the line of the ear as your guide. Okay, turn your head back. I do want hair elastics that again are the same colour as your child's hair. You don't want to have a bright pink elastic on blonde hair. Good job, Soph. Okay, so at this point we can do a little extra spray just to catch those wisps. Just pop your head forward for me, sweetie. That's it. And then if you've got any little lumps from when you've done the ponytail with the elastic, you can again just use the comb just to smooth it back that way. Okay, all right. Now for the bun. So just turn your head on the side. We're just going to twist the hair around. Now if the child's got really thick hair, you can pull it in half this way and do 2 twists. But for Sophie I would just do 1 twist. So we're just going to do a light twist. Now don't do a really hard twist. If you do it really hard, then it's too hard to take around the elastic. So just a nice light twist. Again, if you've got lots of wisps or really thick hair, wetting the hair at this point can be helpful. And then we just take the hair around. Now it's really important to flatten the bun down. We don't want to have, I'll show you the wrong way to do it. They're very fashionable at the moment, the top knots, but we don't want a bun that's going to stick up like this. Just keep it nice and flat to the head. Tuck it under. Now at this point, the best pins to use are the fringe pins. So these are the U-shaped pins, and we just grab the hair and just pop it through that way. So once you've done a couple, then grab your hair net. So for Sophie we've got a lovely blonde hair net here, and we just take it round the bun, depending on the size of the bun, once or twice. Find the pins that we put in earlier, and we're going to pull them out and then grab the hair. So we're going to make sure that the bun again is pressing down, and we grab the hair around the sides. Now if you've done a good ponytail, this bit shouldn't be too hard. And pressing down. And there we go. There's a nice ballet bun. So again, we can fix it up by combing back. If the child has a fringe or any wispy bits, you can use a bobby pin at this point, and making sure when you put them through the hair that the jagged bit is actually facing down. So for example, we would just slide one across here if Sophie needed to pull some hair back. Okay, and then another light spray and she's done. Thank you, Sophie.